Hi, my name is John Clement, and I'll be showing you my ASP.NET 4 web forms project called Job Finder. The purpose of this project is to show that I have the skill to build a fully functional web application from scratch. Here are a few things you might not know about me. I want to be a malware analyst or security researcher eventually in my career. I spend my free time reading a lot on topics such as Windows internals, networking topics such as packet analysis with Wireshark and TCP/IP, web application security, C#, ASP.NET 4, jQuery, web services, and SQL Server 2008. I spent 6 months at a help desk as a network technician troubleshooting internet connectivity for client-side telco and network configuration issues with technologies such as DSL, cable, fiber, voice over IP, wireless networks, and the TCP/IP stack. I also spent 6 months doing computer repair at a local shop in Grandview, Missouri, dealing with Windows and Mac issues for both software and hardware. I also attend a local InfoSec group currently called SecKC. I just started attending that. So let me show you now. Let me pull up my page. It's my website. Go to my projects section. Open Job Finder. Alright. And I've filtered my grid views in this project. As you can see here, I have master details where I have grid views, and then I click here on one of the records and the details view shows up. I have to log in and able to get to my advanced options like creating users or editing or updating or inserting, anything like that. So let me log in. Okay. I filtered the grid views on my Job Finder in the following ways: by link buttons, checkboxes, and a radio button list. As you can see here, radio button list, link buttons, checkbox, and here's a button here to add a new record into the grid view right there. Alright. Features that I've incorporated into the details views on my web pages are drop-down lists that do the following: use their individual data sources within template fields, are data bound to certain column fields in tables located in the database that I'm using for this project, are set up to use the primary key of the table to populate the drop-down list with data, but display text by connecting to the string field that contains the name of whatever data I was pulling in. As you'll see here, this is my details view. Go to edit. And here are the drop-down lists that are being populated from that database there. Alright. Features incorporated into my details views are here are some other ones: Ajax calendar controls, required field validators hooked up to either drop-down lists or text boxes through control to validate. And I'll show you my company's page here, which is basically the same functionality I was talking about, and it goes on like this throughout all the pages. It's just a master detail. You click on the record, you're able to edit or edit or insert a new record. You go ahead and insert something new here. Let's wait for that to load. Okay, that's my required field validator right there. Alright, and as you can see, show inactive contacts, John Q, test record. So that's the one I just created. And for companies, it's basically the same deal, except on this specific project, I already put all the static records in for all the companies available, just uh, basically to get things done and everything. That's something I'll add later. Um, the most difficult SQL join was on the communications page over here. What made it complex was the amount of tables involved in the join, and to get the order right as to which table should be connecting to one another in ASP.NET's Query Builder. I assumed that Visual Studio was automatically setting up the correct associations when I populated the Query Builder with tables, but it wasn't, so I had to go and manually set the relationships up in the Query Builder. And that is my job finder, and future projects will be coming soon. Thanks for watching.